Let's continue looking at the CSEC Mathematics January 2025 paper. We're at question 4. And we'll see question 4a here. For 2 marks, it says, a line segment joins the point C at negative 5, 6 and D at 7, 2. Calculate midpoint of the line segment CD. Alright, so I had copied and pasted the question over here already. Let's look at it in grid format since it's a graph. Now, here, you don't necessarily have to do this if you have been practicing this kind of question a lot, but it's easier to just get an idea what the graph might look like. So let's use an x and y axis. All right. So here we have our x-axis and here our y-axis. Now negative 5, 6. So our 0 is here. And we have negative 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And 6, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our 6 is up there. So negative 5, 6. So that is the point C. And then 7, 2. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 7 is here. And 2, 1, 2. So 2 is here. So we have our line, and this of course is D. Alright, now in finding out where exactly our midpoint is, remember that if you form a right angle triangle, let's form a right angle triangle here, and let me use straight lines. If you go down this way and then across, well, it doesn't really look too much like right angle, but you get the idea. Let's say our right angle is here. The x coordinate would be halfway left to right. Y coordinates would be halfway up and down. Now, which location is halfway between negative 5 and 7? Alright, first of all, the midpoint, the coordinates, would be the two x's. If you call one x1 and the other one x2, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is the average of the x's, right? Comma, average y. So it would be y1 plus y2 over 2, all right? Shouldn't have this closed bracket yet. No, I shouldn't close the bracket yet. I'll close the bracket here. So the coordinates will be here. So here now, if I have the average of the x's, it would be x plus negative 5 divided by 2, comma, and then the y's, remember, y goes to up to 6. This is negative 5, 6 up here. 7, 2, alright. Y goes from 2 to 6. So the coordinates would be 2 plus 6 divided by 2, which would be what now? 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 over 2, comma, 6 and 2, 8, 8 over 2. So the coordinates at the midpoint would be 1, comma, 4. Let's just write that in and test it. If you say from the origin 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, you go right here. Let's say that is it. So here, from 2 up to 6, if you go 1, 2, from the midpoint, you go 2 down or 2 up. Good. It's halfway between 2 and 6. What about the x's? From the midpoint, you'd have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right to reach the end of the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. Right, so it is really midpoint. So the midpoint is 1, comma 4. Alright, so we look at the next part in another video.